If you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2025 in Rocket League, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to ensure that the servers are operational. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using Steam or Epic Games, verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help fix the error. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to cloud save errors, so consider resetting your router if necessary. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account from the Rocket League settings. This can refresh your account connection and resolve any syncing issues with the cloud saves. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cloud Save Error 2025 in Rocket League. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to the support team for further assistance.